Karbi Anglong is known for its many beautiful waterfalls, but today a new nearby spot has come into focus. A small yet stunning waterfall locally named Sainilangso, identified by villagers living around the area. Surrounded by natural beauty, the site has huge potential to be a perfect family picnic and nature enjoyment destination. Today, responding to public interest and the need to explore new tourist spots, Cat News or Cat Mirror senior correspondent Vishnu Lekhthe visited Sainilangso Waterfall along with his team and nearby villagers. He surveyed the location and the road connectivity, starting from DDS Road. According to him, the waterfall is located 10 kilometers from DDS Road, and the journey is very challenging, with difficult terrain and no proper access route.
War sini tu war negeri ya lah. Mana rap tu mana paling penting, mana rong tu mana paling penting. Sainilangso langsung nalo. Langsung langsung gitu lah ke. Bojan range di Palu angka. Moinki arong adu heb lo. Sampai Bojan. MSC angkang labang tulong sedih berarti itu kalau bingung along sana kapek kalau langsung do tak telong itu lang kalau tak telong man lupo tak boleh kita meeting itu ratu mang pasti itu nang ngumri lo no mak kita kita atau orang mau kapan ke sab anti itu kita dak government no sabo lang pen mak forest department langsung lang pen itu dak isi dulu revenue belong di ada kau dulu labang tulong langsung.
The newly highlighted Sainilangso Waterfall is situated near Moi Eng Tigaon under Borjan MAC constituency. Despite its small size, its scenic beauty is attracting attention and could become an excellent nature spot for people across Karbi Anglong. Villages from nearby areas are strongly appealing to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Tourism Department to develop Sainilangso into a tourist destination. If proper roads and facilities are constructed, people from Hanjanglangso, Bokajan, Sukanjan, Amrajan, Lokijan, Hidipi, 0 Point, Dilai and Katkati will be able to visit easily. According to the villagers, turning Sainilangso into a tourist spot will create daily wage opportunities for nearby villages such as Moyeng Tigaon, Kanija Bay and Longbui Timung. With better transport demand and small businesses emerging around the area, the local economy is expected to benefit naturally.